Welcome to another ServerVoid.com tutorial. In this video we will be going over how to use the server tab on the dashboard. So as I said earlier, the first little summary area is just to tell you your IP address, the status of your server, and the start, stop, and restart it. Now if we go below that, this is your memory bar. This will spike as your memory gets used, and as it's not used right now, none of it is running. It's all at 0 because the server is off. If I turn it on, it'll start moving, and there's that. And then down here, the file manager. This is where you can manage all your files, your plugins, your logs, your everything that you have on your server will come here. There is nothing here currently, like no plugins folder and stuff, because we do not have a jar file registered besides the vanilla Minecraft jar. Later I'll explain on how to install a custom jar or the predefined jars that the host gives you. But as for this right now, whitelist server properties, we're going to go into server properties. So to edit these in the host, you right click and hit edit file, and I will explain how to do FTP access later. But for now, this is how you can edit them in the host. So these are your default properties. This is your message of the day. This shows under your name on your Minecraft host on the Minecraft engine. And you can edit as many settings as you want to turn on, for example, whitelist. Let's find it right around here. Right here. You would just simply turn this to true and then hit save. And if you wanted to just get out of this, you could hit save and close, or if you wanted to edit more, you could just hit save. So now the whitelist is enabled, and so now for other people to join, you would have to right click this, edit the file, and then add their name into here, or in the console or on the server you could add them. But anyway, that's how you would add somebody to the whitelist and turn on and off options in the server properties. Now this EULA, you don't really have to worry about. The server predefines it enabled to true. Now ops, this is who is opt on your server. You can also edit this from here in game or on console, which I'll explain in another tutorial with the console. And then banned players, this is the same thing in here in game or in console. Same with banned IPs, but banned players means just the username is banned, and banned IPs means their whole IP is banned. So even if they got a new account, they couldn't get back on. And then here's your world. This is all your data for your server. So if you found a custom pre-made map and you wanted to implement it into the server, I would suggest using an FTP client, but you could do it here. You could either delete this and import it, or keep this and just import the insides. So you wouldn't have to worry if the folder would work or not. Because for the folder to work, if it's a different name, it has to say world unless you change it in other settings, which I'll go over later in another video. Now logs, if something happens to your server, the logs will just come here, and that way you can know what's going on. And that's just about it for this tab. There's not much more in this tab that you would really need to go over. So if you enjoy this video, come check us out, and if you have any questions, feel free to use the ticket option on the host. We'll do our best to get back to you. Thank you for watching.